Big tech brands are showcasing their new products at the ongoing CES trade show in Las Vegas, and Asus has announced a whole bunch of new devices. Asus announced the ProArt Studiobook 16 3D OLED laptop, which is said to be the world's first 3D OLED mobile workstation. It is powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 series GPU. Asus also unveiled several TUF Gaming laptops, including the TUF A16 Advantage Edition, TUF Gaming A15 and F17, and TUF Gaming A15 and A17. The Asus TUF Gaming A16 Advantage Edition comes with a Quad HD display with a 240Hz refresh rate. It gets up to 2 TB of onboard storage and DDR5 RAM. The Asus TUF Gaming A15 and F17 and Asus TUF Gaming A15 and A17 laptops are all equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 series graphic cards. All 4 laptops feature MUX switch with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus technologies, which allows the laptop to bypass the integrated graphics when gaming for improved performance. Asus has also updated the VivoBook, ZenBook and Chromebook series laptops. They all come with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs and feature the company's Spatial Vision 3D OLED technology. For more coverage from CES 2023 show floor, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.